Now that you're sitting up, and I'm going to continue, I'm just going to work through before I ask the $1 million questions. $1 million question. I'm just going to open up some more pieces in here. And so we get to the question. I am going to stop here because I have a little bit more to work through here and then get to the nape of your neck. Are there any areas of your scalp that feel tight or itchy or just need more massage? What are they?
So I'm going to say definitely the left side of my head feels a little, I wouldn't say tighter, but like heavier.
Oh, so
like,
okay, the left side feels heavier.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it? Just this left side, like above your ear?
Yeah, because I can't.
The whole left side?
Maybe like the mid left side.
Okay, right here.
Yes.
Okay, so not to the nape of the neck.
No.
It feels heavier, but it doesn't feel itchy.
No, it itches more, I guess, as you're massaging.
Okay, because we're lifting up the dead skin cells, and as they become lifted and removed, it may itch so that more blockages can come up. So if you weren't itching, sometimes with this process, a client may itch a little because now all these dead skin cells are being removed and the scalp is like, yes, this is moving out of the way, I can breathe, and then you're gonna feel that because now you're more aware that there's even been the blockage this whole time.
Right.
Okay, so that's what that's like, and it's not gonna be like, oh, my scalp's gonna keep itching, because the sugar's not to make you itch, it's to make you aware of the itch and address the itches, because it's moving these layers of dead skin cells that form every day on our bodies, which includes our scalp, and the dead skin cells can, will, and do block hair growth. So at this point, because I wanted to just go into that area, I want you to give me a number on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 meaning that a 10 ranking be that it's the most heavy or tight. 10 is the highest. What does that feel like on that side? What number is it?
Maybe like a 4.
Oh, it's a 4? Okay, that's not a lot. So now I'm going to address the 4. And you're just going to let me know I'm in the right area, okay? Am I in the right area?
Yes.
Okay.